Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This video is part of a sequential playlist of 10 videos where you can teach your young children, as early as 2 or 3 years old, how to count to 20. There's all kinds of different ways to do it. So this is an instruction video for you as a parent and fun ways that you can, throughout the day, work with your child and teach them how to count to 20. They do not have to be shown in any order. Some of them are skip counting, some are counting backwards, some of them are writing. You can also, one video is about different interactive games. They all can be played in any order. To access the full playlist, there's a link above. You can click that, you can see all 10 videos, or you can wait till the end of the video and it will be on the end screen there as well. Let's get started. A very common question for new homeschooling parents, especially with little ones, is when do I start counting with my child, or when do I start reading with them and things like that. I want you to have the mindset that your child is learning from you, just like they did when they learned how to walk, when they learned how to eat. You just did it because you know they were ready and it was something they needed to do, right? So I want you to get rid of those timelines per se, especially in the beginning. So one of the things with counting, you'll see a progression here, but all of it doesn't have to happen in the order that I'm presenting it in this particular segment. Counting to 20 can happen. I've seen 2-year-olds that can count to 20, and I've seen children at 5 finally understand it and get it. So don't compare and don't worry about when they get it. Just keep doing it. So what do? When they're babies, you can start counting their toes and counting their fingers and counting, oh, yeah, we have 2 eyes, 1 mouth. Just keep counting things naturally and with fun, not strategically in a way that it makes it feel like they're doing school, if that makes sense. And you'll understand that better as you get into homeschooling. So start counting their fingers, counting their toes. You can say little rhymes. One of the favorites is 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. You can see that here. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now you can do that with them by using motions, and they can do it with you sitting across from you, or you can actually be that parent that lets them jump on the bed as you sing. That's up to you. Other things that you can do when they're sitting on the floor, start using manipulatives and let them count. You see a link here for some little cars. You may have cars at home. Let them count them as they park them in the garage. You can draw a garage on a piece of paper, on a piece of cardboard. 1, 2, 3. If they're colored, you can start doing colors as you're counting as well. When they're eating, sitting in the high chair and you give them Cheerios, you can count the Cheerios. You can even sort them into piles of 2 and show them 2 Cheerios here, 2 here, 2 here. Just make it fun, make it natural, make it be part of your everyday life. That is the important thing. And like I said, these progressions are not in order. Do it concurrently as they master that skill of counting from 1 to 20.